Today, in General Trias, his hometown, surrounded by family, friends, musicians, and a community that gave him back so much, we thank you, sir. We thank you.
Thank you for the unit. Thank you for the mentorship and for a legacy that will continue to play on long after the final note. To honor his enduring legacy of the city's distinguished conductors, some of them are right here playing music as well, and the rich tradition of brass band music that continues to inspire generations. It would only be appropriate to end the evening with the march he holds close to his heart. Not only because of the message behind the beautiful and masterful musical piece, but because it was composed by his beloved uncle, Leon Mojica, Lolo Luling Clanor. Sing along if you know the lyrics. This is very our tradition.
Hardcore Bama fans there, sing along.
Ladies and gentlemen, again, under the baton of Maestro Bibi Poblete, Banda Matanda Forever.
Is Dr. Dent Colunga here?
So we have a certificate of appreciation. The certificate is proudly presented to Banda Matanda 1880